Guys, this is Nitin Mishra. First, I want to say a line that nothing is impossible in this world. Actually, impossible itself says that I am possible. So, I am here to present a success story on Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Actually, I have many options to choose any personality, but I choose Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam because I want to show that how a man from poor background, from uneducated background, can achieve anything in his life. So, as we all know, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, his full name was Mr. Abul Pakir Jainul Abdin Abdul Kalam. Actually, his father name was also included in his name, Mr. Jainul Abdin, his father name. And his mother name was Ashima. Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 in the district of Rameshwaram, a holy district in India in the state of Tamil Nadu. His father had neither formal educated nor wealth. Despite of these disadvantages, he wanted to educate his children. Kalam was youngest in his family. In childhood time, Kalam even distributed newspapers to different houses. So this shows that how hardworking he was, how simple he was. So we can take lessons from this thing. He was graduated in aerospace engineering from Madras Institute of Technology. Madras Institute of Technology was a renowned institute at that time in southern India. After graduating, he joined DRDO. And from there he was transferred to ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. In DRDO he started his work by designing a small hovercraft. Then in ISRO he was the project director of India's first mission, India's first satellite launching vehicle SLV-3. And after that he put many efforts to make PSLV, and he headed many projects, and he also was the part of missile making of missile like Prithvi, Agni, etc. So we all know by that his another name was the Missile Man of India. So these success shows that how Kalam was hardworking. And after that, there is another success. He served as 11th President of India. The one thing I want to say that he won the presidential election by the support of both parties. This is very big thing. The party in center and the party in opposition, both parties supported him, and so he was also known as People's President. After completing his tenure, he gave many his services in many educational institutes and many others. Kalam loved children. This is main thing. He always tried to meet new innovative mind. He was very attracted towards children. There was another big success. He was awarded by Bharat Ratna, the topmost award of India, in 1997. Before that, he was awarded with Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, and many more awards. So these are some big success of him. The big thing I want to say that his personality. His personality was so simple. He was so hardworking, and he faced many challenges in life, many ups and downs. But he kept fighting. He was too much religious person. He respect all religions. He read many religious books of different religions like Gita and many other religious books, etc. So this shows his respect towards all other religions also. He was a very good man. So I am explained him in a brief manner, in a very less number of words, because words cannot express his personality. So the main thing we can learn here, that if a man from a poor background, from an uneducated background, from a background which has not too much resources, can attain these type of success, can achieve these things in his life, then we common men like us can achieve anything in his life. We can get any goal in our life, whether we are poor, we are from any type of background, we can achieve anything in his life. The most important thing I want to say, that willpower. Kalam's willpower was very strong. If you have a strong willpower, then you can achieve anything in your life. So guys, you should be very much you should have very much strong willpower, because if you have a strong willpower, then you can achieve anything in your life. One thing I remember, that in his college time, professor gave a project to him, and he said that you have to complete this project in 2 days, but 2 days was very small time to complete that project. But willpower of Kalam was very much strong, So he completed that project in that 2 days due to his only willpower. So I can say that any man from any type of background can achieve anything in his life, whether it was too much big, too much small, and anything in his life. So I have briefly explained his personality. And one suggestion I want to give, that lockdown is going on, so to utilize your time, you can read his book Wings of Fire. In that book, his personality describes very well his life from his childhood to his and many success of him was given in book. You can read this book in this lockdown, and you can utilize your time. Book was very awesome, so please must read this book. And I hope you will like my words. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you guys.